Taking you to business news, in response to a question on why Treasury bond auctions are halted in Sri Lanka, Central Bank Governor Dr. Nandalal Veerasinghe said such a decision was taken due to the prevailing uncertainty in the market. Addressing media this week, the Central Bank Governor said bond auctions will resume once debt restructuring talks are over.
Now, the bond auctions have not been happening. Is it held until the debt restructuring?
I think if you look at when there's uncertainty on treasury bond, then I think it's not appropriate or it's not prudent to issue treasury bonds to raise at high interest rates, look into longer term interest costs for the government. That's why we basically recommended until they clear the restriction terms. So we will rely on short term instruments so that at least that government can manage the interest costs and they still not basically going into longer term debt servicing.
Governor, the money that comes from ADB, is it with the central bank or is it in the government account? And what will happen when you collect a lot of reserves for the IMF targets? Are they going to be adjusted up?
ADB money usually is like a government borrowing. When they don't use rupees, they convert and sell that dollars to rupees, and we build up our reserves. They take rupees and use for social safety net or any other payment, whatever they want to use, they can use it. Those are budget support, so there's no specific restriction on how to use it. Government obviously don't need dollars, no, they need rupees for their debt service payment, rupees, all these things.
So now you're getting all these reserves. How do you invest it? Is there a currency mix given the global volatility that is there?
We have investment guidelines. Monetary Board has set guidelines of how to manage foreign reserves. What are the area risk management, risk parameters or portfolio limits and the exposures depending on rating. There's a huge guideline and the normal standard that we have been having this for several years now, that we follow the same practice.
Governor, what is the progress of Central Bank new act?
It's with the Minister of Finance. The next step is to submit it to the Parliament for second reading. I think first reading that was done and then there was objection in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court gave determination. It has been submitted to Parliament. Now next step is to fix the date for the second reading and then a committee stage changes. I think as far as I know, there's no date fixed so far yet. So I think that probably Minister of Finance will decide probably in the short term. No moratoriums. I don't think there's no need to any moratoriums because interests are coming down. And the moratoriums was over for some time ago. No one is talking about it.
There's been multiple trading platforms popping up in the internet and these applications that people can download from the App Store or the Play Store. Do they all need to be registered? If someone's actually introducing a trading platform, do they have to be registered with CBSL?
We don't regulate those trading platforms. Doesn't come under our central bank regulation. Only what comes are our regulation, illegal deposit taken by people. Then we have a present provision or public deposit taken by public institution or banking and other institution. Then that comes under our regulation. So there could be other activities. I don't think we have an authority to regulate or take actions against those.